Introducing Coral UV, a revolutionary new product that keeps your baby's things clean and sterile so you can focus on what's really important, your baby. It's so simple to use. Wash and shake off baby bottles as you normally would. Load them in the sterilizer. Press a button and you'll have clean, sterile bottles in under an hour. No need to hand dry. Our product uses a waterless UV sterilization process that won't harm your things. UV light destroys the DNA and pathogens and stops them from reproducing, providing an effective, safe, and chemical-free method of sterilization. Coral UV combines sterilization and drying into one simple machine and features touchscreen control and time countdown display. It comes with 4 functions: auto, sterilize, dry, and storage. Coral UV only heats up to 55 Celsius, so your stuff comes out safe to the touch. It also has a child safety switch. If the cover is open while in operation, the sterilizer will stop working and the UV lights will turn off immediately. To keep things clean, simply wipe off any water stains with a damp cloth. Maintenance is easy. Just replace the UV light bulbs once a year and change the filter every 3 months for continuous operation. Coral UV can be used for nearly anything in your home. In fact, almost any household item that can fit into the machine can be sterilized. Toothbrushes, makeup brushes, shavers, small kitchen items, and electronics can all go into the sterilizer safely. Coral UV, protecting what's precious to you. Available now on Kickstarter.
Made by Video Kickstarter.